In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google VO3 on Gemini. This guide will walk you through the seamless process of creating stunning videos using these powerful tools, and we'll do this all in just about 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, let's dive in by opening the Gemini platform. If you're not familiar with it yet, don't worry. It's a user-friendly environment that is designed for collaboration and creativity. Once you have Gemini open, you're ready to initiate the creation process. Our next step involves starting a new chat. Starting a new chat is just like beginning a fresh canvas for your creative ideas. It's a simple setup that helps keep all your project details organized and easy to track. Once your chat is set up, direct your attention to the chat box, where you will find the Tools menu. This menu is your gateway to a variety of features that can elevate your creative projects. Click on the Tools menu and you'll discover an option labeled Create Videos with VO. Selecting this option unlocks Google VO3's capabilities, allowing you to harness its advanced video creation tools. Now that you have selected Create Videos with VO, it's time to let your creativity flow. Here, you need to describe the scene you envision. Be as detailed as possible, because the more information you provide, the better VO can translate your ideas into a visual masterpiece. Consider including specific elements like the mood, setting, and any particular visual style you have in mind. This could range from a vibrant and colorful animation to a more subdued and cinematic clip. Remember, clarity in your description will directly affect the quality of the video generated. After you've crafted your scene description, the hard part is over. Here comes the magic. Sit back and allow Gemini to take over. This part requires a little patience, as Gemini processes your request and applies VO's tools to bring your vision to life. The time it takes can vary depending on the complexity of your scene and the specific details you've included. Once Gemini has completed your request, you'll have a custom-created video ready for review. And there you have it, the entire process of using Google VO3 on Gemini in just a few simple steps. This combination of Gemini's intuitive platform and Google VO3's powerful video tools makes creating professional and visually compelling videos an easy and enjoyable task. You can revisit these steps anytime you want to make more videos or explore different styles and ideas. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it empowers you to make incredible videos effortlessly. Be sure to explore the other features Gemini offers, and happy creating!